All right, guys, happy Wednesday. I want to make this quick video to really help you lose your first 4 kilos. Now, if that's something you're looking for, listen to this video and just put all your limiting beliefs aside. Trust me, guys, stay with me on this one, because if you follow me until the end, if you follow this video to a T until the end and apply what I'm telling you, I guarantee you'll lose weight. Guaranteed. I've got clients that have been training in my gym 3 years, 4 years. They've started tracking this past month and they've lost more weight than they had the previous 3 years, because it is a numbers game. And once you understand this, and once you see beyond all the marketing on the internet, it's sending you in a loop. Guys, understand that social media, they're great at marketing. They're hitting you with every pain point. They know what you want. They know how to get you triggered. So when they hit you with the 7 foods that's gonna help you lose weight, straight away you're like, oh, the 7 foods. You go to the shops and you start buying kale, broccoli, all that kind of stuff. And then you do it for 2 weeks. And then you fall off the wagon. But if you understand the principle behind, like, trust me, guys, just stay to the end of this video and listen to what I'm telling you, because this is the foundation. The foundation's here. It's an energy deficit. What an energy deficit is, it's the foods you consume. So there's 2 types of energy, right? Let's use these 2 fingers. So you got the calories you eat and the calories you burn through exercise. 2 ways we lose weight. You either eat less or you do more steps or do more training. All right? So here's what I want you to do. This is a tactic for your next 2 weeks. Every single morning at the same time, you're gonna wake up, you're gonna jump on the scale, you're gonna weigh yourself. All right? You're gonna weigh yourself Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday for 7 days. You're gonna add up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You're gonna add up those 7 days. You're gonna divide those days by 7. All right? So don't get I don't care if you're not good at maths. Simple, guys. Wake up same time, weigh yourself 7 days of the week, divide that by 7. That's going to give you your average weight of the week. The reason why we do this is because if you're weighing yourself every Tuesday, your weight could fluctuate 1 kilo every single day. We know this. You probably don't know this, but if you've been doing nutrition for a while, my clients know this, that you can go and have Chinese the night before. If there's more sodium in the food, your weight's going to shoot up 1 kilo. All right? So understand this, guys. Once we know this, we're going to go off our average weight, because that's going to dictate our actual progress. The second thing I want you to track, forget about steps, forget about exercise. Keep it simple. You're going to download MyFitnessPal. You're going to track your food intake. Yes, I wish there was an easier way, but just stay with me. Before you lose it and say I've tracked calories, just trust me, guys. I wish there was an easier way. This is the only way I can help you, and this is the only way you can help yourself if you're stuck. If you're not happy with how you look, just digest it and apply this, all right? You're going to track your food for the next 7 days as accurately as you can. Yes, you're going to have to weigh your food. You're going to have to track olive oils. You're going to have to track sauces. But here's the thing. I don't want you tracking for the next 10 years. I just want you to track so you can get some awareness, because the number one thing people tell me is how aware they become, the awareness they get from tracking their food intake. All right, so this is called a food audit, the first 7 days. So you're going to track your average calories. I want you to do the same thing week 2, because the first week it's probably 50% accurate. The next week it's going to probably get 10% better. So it's at 60%. So let's say your numbers are, you're weighing 80 kilos on average over the 2 weeks. Let's say week 1, you're 80 kilos, right? Week 2, you've lost half a kilo. So you're 79.5, all right? But you're eating 2,000 calories a day. Simple, right? So what we know is at 2,000 calories, I'm losing half a kilo a week. So what that shows me is that your maintenance is 2,500 calories. So if you're losing half a kilo a week without going into it too much, you're in a roughly 25% deficit, which is 500 calories. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take that and we're gonna say, fuck keto, fuck all these diets that people are feeding you. Eat the foods you enjoy. Design your diet. So if you like Krispy Kreme donuts, you're gonna have a Krispy Kreme donut for breakfast. All right, and I get it. Look, you gotta have your proteins, you gotta have your fibers, but that's not the issue at the moment. Your issue is not sticking to anything. So let's just stick to this diet for the next 4 weeks. So I'm gonna let you pick the foods you love and enjoy. As long as you track them, get them in, eat 2,000 calories, track it to a T, and then what's gonna happen is you lose another half a kilo. And then as the weeks progress, guess what we're gonna start doing? We're gonna start focusing on eating more protein. And then we're gonna start hitting on more fiber. Then we're gonna start focusing on hitting more steps. And then we can get more complicated. But if you wanna lose your first few kilos, watch this video 10 times, because I promise you guys, you'll stop. It's like the mouse, you know, running on the hamster wheel, or the hamster or mouse, whatever. You're just running in circles. You jump on social media, you see a new thing, and there's shiny object syndrome. This is the foundation that matters more than anything. Guys, this is the foundation. Keto feeds off this. Fasting feeds off this. If you're vegan, it feeds off this. Doesn't matter what diet you're doing, carnivore diet, it all comes back to the foundation down the bottom. If you neglect your energy deficit, you're not gonna lose weight, all right? So understand this, guys. Hope this got some value from you. Subscribe. This is all going on my YouTube. That's where I'm gonna put most of my videos on. I'm not gonna post as much on Instagram. And I'll be putting this content inside of Interval Fat Loss Secrets, which is our private Facebook community. And guys, as always, appreciate your support, and let me know what video you would like me to cover on the next one.